Found another deal I couldn't pass up, even though I got plenty of projects. This is a 1995 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited with the 5.2 V8 in it. They're selling it for $100, so just couldn't pass it up. So we got back late last night. It was a beautiful drive. We got a couple videos, a couple short clips show kind of the scenery along the way, but it was fun. We winched it up, had some trouble winching it up backwards just because it was on a side of a hill, mountain, and trailer, we had to back the trailer up the hill, and then the Jeep, so the angles were pretty steep, so the transfer case couldn't make the break over onto the trailer. But the winch and everything did good, and we took our off-road jack, so we were able to jack up the rear axle enough to get the transfer case to clear. So a little finagling, but we got it. In case you hit something on that side. I'll watch this side, you watch that side. Huh? Are you gonna try and drive up closer to it? Okay. Oh yeah, I'll have you do it next time, huh? What would you do? Don't hold.
project. Yeah. Just sideways will work, Ken. Sideways? Yeah, I'd like to. Just as a wheel shock, right? Yeah. Well, Yeah. Okay. Thank you. That's not very bad land like. What happened? Oh.
What happened?
That broke on.
It's our son. He'll kill anything and everything.
I should make recovery plants in this thing. There's like nothing. Look, yours.
Come on, Kian.
I'm leaning up.
Actually, the wear strip has to be on the other side, Ken, because it's going to protect from here.
Oh shoot, yeah.
Turn driver just slightly. There you go.
Brakes. How's the tires look, Sarah?
You look good. You're
What's
not
that?
hitting my first
What's
kid.
front tires?
Yeah.
They're good.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay, straighten out. Okay, so we got to
A
go
little
up.
bit higher.
You want to jack it up? You want me to?
I got it.
Bumps. Okay. All right, Jenna, one more. Actually, let's do two more. All right. Jump off. Coming back in. You're clear. I'm glad I put that jack in there.
Passenger's good. Alright, he's gonna.
You're coming down, and then I'm gonna take the jack out. All right.
I want to get the video of it.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we got hydraulics.
Turn passenger slightly. That's good. Okay, straight. Okay, driver. Brakes. Driver. Driver, yeah, brake. Let off a little bit. Okay, straighten out. Okay, that's good. Straight back. A little bit more. That looks good right there. Okay, park and brake. We'll see how she roll up the window at the same time. beautiful day. I'm gonna unload it right here in front of the shop, and might spend a little bit of time just to see. The son of the owner said that he drove it every day, had a coolant leak they could never find, and then it got to where it just wouldn't run very good. So they parked it. He says a lot of times you can get it started, but then it doesn't like to idle, and it just dies on them. We didn't even try to start it. We were going to take it either way, so we just wanted to get it loaded up as quick as possible and get back on our way over the mountains. So this is what we got. Again, I'll pull it off, probably pull the battery out, put it on the charger. It's got lots of bugs in it, so we'll spray some poison on it, try to kill some of them spiders while we wait for the battery charge, and then we'll try to troubleshoot it. So body's in fairly good shape. I guess we can see what the underside looks like right now. It's from a damp area. Oh yeah, it's not too bad. Rust wise, got some oil leaks that probably helps keep the rust down. So cool. Yeah, this looks like a clean one. Now, one of the reasons why we got it for only $100, besides the fact that it doesn't run, is they shredded the title, so they didn't have a title for it. I do have a bill of sale and a couple other documents. We'll see if we can get a title, but the main purpose for this vehicle is going to be to drive around the property and do some maintenance and yard work. So it's basically a little ranch vehicle, so that'll work out really good for us. And if we can get it titled, we get it titled, and then do whatever we want with it. All right, let me get it unloaded, and we'll see, maybe do a walk around of it. But I figured we'd do a walk around on the Jeep. This side doesn't look too bad. No rust. Back paint is kind of peeled and fading. No damage to the roof. See this side where the clear coat's completely missing. But everything's there. Looks like it probably had some driving lights on the front. So I've had the battery charger on here all day. So we just checked oil, has coolant. So we're gonna see if this thing will start. That's all we've done is just check fluids and put a battery charger on it. And we'll see if she'll start. Show you the inside. So it's pretty dirty. Just got a layer of ick. This is the limited, so it's got that mid-90s plush leather seats. It's pretty disgusting. Luckily, it doesn't smell, but it's got cobwebs, spider webs, you can see. So it's been sitting for a couple years. Can't open the back door. There's the spare tire. Let's see how nasty that is. So once it warms up a little bit more, we're gonna completely gut the interior and clean it, and then make it nice. Tires aren't too bad. It's got BF Goodwrench all-terrains, KO2s, so that'll work good for the property. And he's still got quite a bit of tread on. Bilstein shocks. So that's nice. So yeah, let's see if this thing will start.
Oh, you're gonna have to do that key thing. It's in that security mode. There you go. Yeah.
oil pressure real fast. Wow.
Yeah. Oh, it's staying running.
I guess I can see if it goes in order and reverse.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells like fuel. I don't smell oil. That's what I was worried about. Rings are bad, but I just smell fuel. I have a little bit of misfire, so I think it probably needs a tune-up.
Yeah.
And then some fuel system cleaner. Cool. Forward and reverse.
Little low on the blinker fluid.
Oh yeah. All right, guys. So our $100 Jeep starts, runs, and goes forward and reverse. We don't want to drive it too much now. We got it running. We're going to change the fluids in it because we don't know how old that oil is and if it's any good. So stay tuned. We'll probably do a full tune-up. Distributor cap, rotor, plugs, air filter, fuel filter, engine oil, and then we'll also get under there and change the fuel filter, I believe. This has got a changeable fuel filter, so we'll swap that out, and then we'll get some fuel system cleaner through it, give it some running time, try to get it smooth out. And once we get it warmed up, after we do the services to it, we'll do a combustion leak test to see, make sure the head gasket is good. These usually don't have head gasket issues because it's all cast iron block and heads, so they can be overheated a lot more than a newer engine. So, but all right, she's running good. So that's going to be it for this video. Our $100 Jeep. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.